Hello everyone. Today I've decided to paint Miss Fortune, a character from the famous game League of Legends. I chose her because I really like the character, and she's perfect for my very first project. In this video I'll not only show you how I paint the model, but I'll also create a custom stand to make it even more interesting. So stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. I'll skip the assembly process since everyone knows how to handle and glue model parts together. Of course, I used a black primer before painting. For the first skin tone, I used Vallejo Pink Rosa, mixed with a little bit of water. I started by painting the upper part of the body. Then I moved on to the hands. And finally the head. Once the first layer was dry, I applied the second skin tone, which was a mix of Athena skin and Sunny skin tone. After everything dried, I used paper tape to cover the painted parts. Honestly, using paper tape isn't the best idea, because if the primer didn't stick properly, it can cause problems later. We'll see how it goes. Now it's time to paint the hair. For that, I'm using Gory Red. While letting the hair dry, I jumped to painting the guns. With a tiny brush, I applied Glorious Gold. I think these two guns look pretty cool. Next, it's time to highlight some elements with gold oro. Now that the model is completely painted, it's time to work on the custom stand. I'm making something like a little bridge. It's funny, but I found these wooden sticks in a pet shop. And cutting a few slots where Miss Fortune will fit. I'll glue the sticks together from behind. Now I've placed the legs for this bridge. Next, I'm creating something like a little aquarium. For that, I'm using plexiglass and hot glue to stick it together. Now let's place some decorative moss to make it look like coral. I'll also add some sand. Once everything is in place, it's time to fill it with resin. Let's remove the wall. I decided to put wooden strips at the bottom to make it look nicer. Finally, it's time to create the water surface. For that, I'm using Alaska water gel effect. The links for all materials will be in the description. Now let's place our misfortune on this cool stand. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this little diorama and which character I should create next. Oh, and I almost forgot, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next one.